One of the common issues I see quite often is customers that have a no start issue. So the motor will actually spin freely but not actually engage and start up. So you want to check the basics when you're looking at that kind of problem. You want to make sure that your throttle is actually in neutral and not in a gear. For if it is not in neutral, it will not start. And also to check that the kill switch is in the run position and not in the off position. This will also enable the motor to start.